Hi, I have bought this Ander dummy battery cable from Amazon. This is the one I got yesterday. Now Amazon is asking me to send one video to demonstrate how I am connecting to my DSLR. See, this is the one I have got. Okay, I'm keeping here. And first of all, I'm showing that I'm having this DSLR camera in a working condition. So for making sure, okay, this is the one, the Nikon battery came with this along with this DSLR camera. Okay, now the DSLR is working perfectly and it is taking pictures. Okay, it's taking pictures perfectly, right? So the DSLR is working fine. Now I'm switching to your dummy battery, this one. Okay, yes, it's fitted like a normal original battery. And now this one I'm plugging to that. Okay, show here. Okay, I'm plugging the power cable to this dummy battery and switching on. I got switch the closer. Okay,
Done.
so the power supply should give the enough power to switch on this battery, switch on this camera. See, while I'm switching on this one, it's giving some power, but the problem is it is the power which is supplied by this cable is not enough to power on the DSLR camera. So this is the problem I'm getting. See, switching on, but now it's not working. 1 minute. So if you able to see this, the battery, low power battery is blinking inside my um, viewfinder. You're able to see, I think. Okay, it's blinking. So the cable is working, but it is having some defect inside, so it is not able to supply the enough power to my DSLR. So that's why I want to return it right now. Thank you.